Hi everybody, so today I have this to share. I found it at Ulta. It's the Tako Pore One Shot Nose Pack from TONYMOLY. I'm not sure how to say that, but so I thought it was pretty cool because you can see that it does right here also. It just doesn't do your nose. Strong Octopus Nose Pack removes blackhead from the middle of the forehead as well as the wider nose area. Directions say, after wetting the nose, peel off the plastic liner and place the smooth side of the sheet down on the nose area. Leave on for 10 to 15 minutes. When the sheet is completely dried, peel it off starting from the outer edges. So it's basically like the other nose strips you can get, the pore pill strips. I have a wet washcloth and I'm going to wet my nose and then put it on like it says. And it looks like a octopus. I like to take them off first and then set them aside while I put the water on my nose, so I can put it on faster because the water dries. I've never used one of these, so I'm just going by the picture. My nose needs a little bit more water. It's a little, see, I don't know if I was supposed to go all the way up because, or there's an overlap right here. So I guess I could just push it down. That's 10 to 15 minutes, but I'm going to do 15 so make sure it's nice and dry. And I'm going to set my timer now. I will see you in 15 minutes. It's been 15 minutes and it feels like all the other ones do. It's dry. And it said to start with the edges. It's kind of weird, but I like how it goes over the nose like that. Because then it gets the little blackheads on the edge of your nose. So it looks like it got some, but not a lot. There is residue, just like with the other pore strips. What that's, I don't know if you can see. I barely got any. Either I don't have any, or I don't know. It didn't hurt as bad as the other ones. Maybe that's why. I don't know. But my nose does feel soft. It doesn't look any different. I'm just gonna wipe the residue. I don't know if I would buy this again. It's kind of gimmicky to me. I mean, it's cute and fun, but it didn't really take anything out of my pores like other nose strips I've used. It did leave it soft, but Mine at Ulta, and they're $3.50 for one. So I probably won't be buying another one anytime soon, but I really like the idea of it going all the way up here, because I do get blackheads right here sometimes, and that it goes all the way over your nose. That's good. I just wish it had taken out more stuff. That's my video for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and give it a thumbs up if you liked, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.